If you want to learn how to make this delicious, super easy, yummy banana pudding, stay tuned and I'll be back right after this. Guys, so all you're going to need to make this banana pudding is 5 ounces of vanilla pudding mix, 2 cups of cold milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, of course a package of vanilla wafers, and about 6 to 7 bananas. You'll need your mixer, or you can use a whisk. It'll take a little bit longer, and a spatula to get all of the Jell-O pudding mix. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so we have our instant pudding already, the 5 ounces of the vanilla instant pudding. What we're going to do is we're going to add our 2 cups of milk to it, and then we're going to start blending. So let's go ahead and do that. Take your mixer. Make sure it's inside of there first so it won't go all over the place. Go ahead and blend that till it's nice and smooth. About a minute. All right, once you've blended it in, go ahead and layer in your condensed milk. All right, and go ahead and blend that till it's nice and smooth. All right, once it's nice and smooth, we're gonna go ahead and take a tablespoon of our vanilla extract and put it in. Go ahead and mix that in. If you do not have a mixer and you're using a whisk, make sure you get all of the instant pudding off the side. It's already starting to thicken up, as you can see. So what we're gonna do now is take all of our whipped topping and go ahead and layer it in. Make sure your whipped topping is thawed, not frozen, so you can defrost it in the refrigerator or just leave it out for a while. It must be thawed out completely. Okay, go ahead and fold that in, all of it. Let's blend that and then we'll put the rest of it in. And go ahead and fold the rest in. Go ahead and mix the rest of it up. got any around the sides, go ahead and get that off the sides. Finish mixing it up. Alright guys, so that's how that should look. Nice pudding consistency. We're going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator while we cut our bananas. This should chill for about 25 minutes. Alright guys, so now we're going to cut our bananas. Like I said, we're going to need about 6 or 7. Or if you like more bananas, put in more bananas. We're going to cut it up 3 at a time. Go ahead and peel them. Let's get them ready. Alright, if any of your bananas have any brown on them, you can just go ahead and cut that off. No problem, easy peasy. I let them sit out for a little bit too long. You kind of want your bananas just to be perfectly yellow. But that's okay, because some people like firm banana in a banana pudding, some people don't. I'm cool with it not being firm. I like it a little mushy myself. So let's go ahead and start chopping up our bananas. You don't want them to be too thin, but you don't want them to be too thick either. And you take those ends and place them elsewhere. You're not going to need them. Alright guys, so now you have your dish that you're going to put your banana pudding in. Now we're just going to layer our pan with the vanilla wafers. And then you just take a banana and put one on each wafer. Alright, just like that. Now we're going to take our mix that has been sitting in the refrigerator for 25 minutes and we're going to layer our banana pudding. Go ahead and layer it in there. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're only using half because we need another, we're going to do another layer. Go ahead and layer that on top. Spread it out a little bit, just a little bit. It doesn't matter if the bananas start falling off the wafers, that's fine. Okay, put it back in the refrigerator. So we're ready for it again. Now what you're gonna do is take your vanilla wafers and just put them, line them all around the side. Okay, so once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and layer the top again. You don't have to put as many if you don't want to, or if you like a lot of cookies, you can put more, that's fine. But I don't put as many as I put on the bottom layer. But hey, if you like cookies like that, go ahead. Then go ahead and put a whole nother layer of, seem like I'm missing some. Where should some more go? Up in here, y'all think it need more cookies in here? All right, let's put some more cookies right there. Okay, now go ahead and put the bananas on top again. Okay guys, so once we've done that, we're gonna get our mixture back out the refrigerator and we're gonna fill it in. Go ahead and fill it in. Make sure you spread it so you'll have enough on top of the wafers. Yeah, I'm swirling it around. It's gonna give it a pretty appearance when we get done. All right, so go ahead and swirl it. All right guys, and so what I like to do to finish this off is crumble up some vanilla wafers and we're gonna spread it on top. I'll be right back when I crumble up the vanilla wafer. All right guys, so once we crumble up our vanilla wafers, we're just gonna sprinkle them on top. See how easy that was? Easy, and I promise you this is going to be the best banana pudding that you've ever tasted. It was so easy to make, it was ridiculous. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a big like. And go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I post my next video. Thank you guys again. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.